Thing we're in North Alabama.
Isn't that the truth?
All right, got to check in with storm tracker meteorologist Carson because we have been on high alert as far as the effects that we'll get from this system. Fortunately, looks like we've gone out of this.
Dodged a bullet, perhaps.
Right.
We have indeed. Yeah, we have indeed. Most roads are in pretty good shape. In fact, a lot of roads are drying out. Having said that, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, there are still a couple of very small pockets of freezing drizzle in northwest Alabama, not enough to cause any additional concerns. But I am still watching this narrow line of freezing rain in northern Mississippi. What remains to be seen over the next couple of hours is this activity will move into Lauderdale and Colbert County. That's not a guarantee, but if it does so in the next hour, we may have a couple more slick spots develop on bridges and overpasses. That again, primarily in the shoals. Everybody else is in pretty good shape heading out the door. Big reason why those temperatures, while still cold, are just above freezing. That has kept the roads wet throughout the morning. 34 in Huntsville and the Shoals, 36 in Decatur and Gunnersville on this Wednesday morning. Now, even though we're pretty much dry for the time being, there is still some dense fog to contend with, especially in the higher elevations. 3-mile visibility in Scottsboro, also 3 miles in Gunnersville, 5-mile visibility in Coleman. So bottom line, yes, we're in pretty good shape, but it's still not a bad idea to add an extra 10 or 15 minutes to get to your destination on this Wednesday morning. We'll stay cloudy throughout the day, not much sun whatsoever. In fact, today's forecast is virtually a carbon copy of yesterday. Cold and cloudy, highs only in the mid-40s. Small chance for a shower during the day, but our next wave of rain moves in later tonight, past sunset. And this next round of rain, while it's the last bit of rain this week, is going to be the most heavy rain that we've seen so far this week. You see, by 7 o'clock this evening on future radar, we got the first of those showers moving back in. And while we're sleeping tonight, that more widespread rain starts to develop across all of North Alabama. Temperature-wise, we will stay above freezing tonight, upper 30s for most of us. Any winter weather potential overnight will be closer to I-40 up in Tennessee. But by the time we get to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, that rain is still widespread, and it's going to be another messy morning commute tomorrow. Could have a few heavier downpours throughout the day on Thursday, but no thunderstorms are expected. But given just how much rain we've seen this week, we could have some ponding on the roads throughout the day tomorrow. But at long last, though, the front that's been responsible for all this rain and freezing rain this week will finally shift to the south and east, and we will slowly dry things out tomorrow night. And looking ahead to Friday, the sunshine comes back and drier weather comes back too. Until then, we are going to see another inch to inch and a half of rain on top of all the rain we've seen so far this week. So not only are we watching ponding on the roads tomorrow, some of those creeks and rivers are starting to run a little high. May have some minor flooding with those waterways across North Alabama. But fortunately, we've got a good bit of dry time on the way. 53 Saturday, tons of sunshine, beautiful day. Getting closer to 60 degrees on Sunday, another nice day. Maybe a few more clouds Sunday afternoon, but that's about it. And this is going to be an extended stretch of dry weather heading into early next week, and kind of a taste of spring as well. Look at that 7-day forecast by Monday and Tuesday. We'll get those highs back in the 60s, 63 Monday, 65 Tuesday. Just got to get through another day and a half or so of rain, and then the sunshine will stick around for a little while.